Hey there, Freedom Nation. Welcome to our channel. I'm super thrilled to have you here today. And if you're new, a big welcome to you too. We're all about one thing here, and that's reaching Freedom Day, that amazing day when you're no longer bound by financial chains. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscription button and hit the notification button so you know when these things come out. Today, we're at an exciting topic. We're going to delve into creating multiple income streams, or what we call freedom engines. So are you ready? Let's dive right in. Wait a minute. You may ask, why do I need multiple sources of income? I've got a great job that pays well. Why should I bother? It's a perfectly valid question, and I'm glad you asked. Let's put it this way. Imagine you're in a boat. It's a beautiful day, and you're enjoying your time on the water. But what if the boat springs a leak? If there's only one hole, you might be able to manage to keep it afloat. But if there are multiple leaks, that's when things start to get a little dicey. Your financial life is a lot like a boat. If your job is the only source of income and you hit a rough patch, maybe a layoff, an unexpected pay cut, even a global pandemic, that single leak can sink you. But if you've got multiple sources of income, it's like having a boat with more than one compartment. One leak won't sink you. We've got other compartments to keep you afloat. And that's the beauty of having multiple sources of income. It brings financial stability and resilience to the unpredictable. So let's talk about freedom engines. What are they? In our Freedom Day philosophy, freedom engines are simply different income generating activities and ventures that work collectively to fuel your journey towards financial freedom. There are numerous ways to set up financial engines. For instance, you could start a side hustle, maybe an online business selling products or services. You can invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, even write a book and earn royalties. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is you get to choose what works for you. Setting up financial engines may seem a little daunting though, but it's not as difficult as it seems. Start with what you're good at and your passion, an area that you have an expert knowledge. The goal here isn't to create more work for yourself, but to set up income streams that you enjoy, that leverage your skills, and most importantly, can run with minimal supervision over time. Remember, the aim is to work smarter, not harder. So how do the freedom engines fit into your Freedom Day goal? The day you reach your Freedom Day, that fantastic day when you're no longer financially dependent by your job, is the day freedom engines are robust enough to support your lifestyle. It's the day when these engines cover 125% of your minimum required income, or MRI. Living life on your terms now, which is the essence of Freedom Day. It's the day when you're not waking up to an alarm clock, dreading the traffic jam, worrying about how to cover unexpected expenses. It's the day in life is guided by what you enjoy, your passions, and dictated not by paychecks or financial stress. When you reach your Freedom Day, it's a journey though, and it's not a sprint. And creating freedom engines is a significant part of that journey. You need to be patient, persistent, and stay focused on your goal. There will be setbacks and challenges, but remember these roadblocks are but stepping stones on your path to financial independence. So how do you stay motivated on the journey though? Remember why you started. Keep your Freedom Day goal in mind. Visualize your life after you've reached that day, the freedom, the possibilities, the opportunities. Use that vision to push yourself forward. Surround yourself with other like-minded individuals. Seek guidance when needed and never stop learning. Hang out with this community. Once you've set up your freedom engines and they're producing income consistently, you're well on your way to achieving your Freedom Day. Your focus should then shift to optimizing these income streams, exploring new ones, and remembering that diversifying your income, the more diverse it is, the more secure your financial future. And that's it, freedom seekers. Creating freedom engines is a powerful way to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and move towards financial independence. Remember, this is your journey, your Freedom Day. So take the reins, create your freedom engines, and steer your life towards financial freedom that you desire. Now, if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the button and share it with others who might benefit. Let's grow our community at Freedom Nation. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, keep pushing forward towards your Freedom Day.